VCura Wellness Clinic, the amazing breakthrough in weight loss scientific slimming. Now get up to 5 kgs weight loss treatment free.
இந்த வீடியோவை வழங்குவோர் போஃப்டா ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் learn from the masters.
Actually don't read reviews, and but through my wife I came to know that the reviews have not been so great about Anathe. But it doesn't matter because the critics are doing their work and we are doing our. First of all, whatever review is there for about any film, audience don't go by the review. So, and a director is not making a film for reviewers or critics.
Definitely.
A director is making a film for audience. If audience is loving the film and they are pouring in to watch it, they are going crazy over a film, then these couple of critics you think matter? They don't. Because had it been so important, had these critics been so important, then a producer would fix a budget for them as they fix it for publicity, right? Because publicity is a necessary aspect as far as film is getting released. But there is no budget for critics as such. So
Okay.
I feel they are doing their job and we are doing our. So, and actually speaking, public don't read the reviews and go to watch the film, till date. They go on their own instinct. They go because they're in love with the stars. And they go because they want to see movies. As simple as that.
So, and one of your previous interviews, I think before 6 to 7 years, you have resisted it like, it's my dream to act with Mr. Rajinikanth. So now the dream has come into a true one. So what was the first thing you spoke to Mr. Rajinikanth? The first thing, the first sight?
The first sight, the first thing, I just touched his feet and I took his blessing. And I told him that, sir, I have been a big fan of yours. And I used to go and watch your movie with my mother because my father was never interested in watching movies.
Okay.
So my mother used to take me. So he asked me which movie and where. Then I told him that I'm from Bihar. I watched the film in Patna.
Okay.
Giraftar. And then he smiled. And after the very first take, he just looked at me and he said, you're a very good actor.
Okay. So how does it feel, sir? So from not only as a blessing, a compliment from your idol, how does it feel?
It feels great because since the time I have been working down south, my wife Sargam Singh always asked me, when will the time come when we all can see you with Rajni sir? And all thanks to director Siva, who gave me this opportunity. And finally the dream is true. The dream has become true, and I feel that it is all, I think, my luck and destiny. That's all I can say. And the director's choice, of course, that
Sure,
I have working with him, and it's a dream come true moment for me.
Definitely. Because the movie is now be enjoying by a family audience, it's been celebrating by our Tamil audience. So have you been noticed how was the first day show and how crazy Rajni sir's fans on him?
I saw everything, and I just can't believe that there is so much craze about somebody, and the people are burning crackers and they are going crazy, and they are dancing and they are singing. So it all, it doesn't look real, actually speaking.
Okay.
It doesn't look real. Yeah. So sometimes you feel as if, are you dreaming? Because the film you have done is because Rajni sir is there, and Rajni sir has got so much of fan following that people are crazy about him and just going berserk and watching films in theater. So it's a great feeling.
Okay. So I am sure that people still recognize you as, mostly I'm saying about the South Indian people still recognizing you as Umar. So how does it feel to be as a Umar? Still, I think the movie has been released 4 years ago, but still people recognizing you as Umar. So how does it feel? And can you please tell some untold backstories about Dheeramadhigaram character? Any untold backstory?
There are so many, but it feels great because it's been a couple of years already, and still the character is so well etched out in people's mind. And that is incredible for me because we had put on a lot of hard work, and of course the director Vinod, he is an amazing director, and he gave me enough freedom to do whatever I feel like on the spot. and that worked like a magic. And of course, he is very sensible. He knows, that okay, uh, which actor to leave and which actor to stop, and when and where.
Okay.
So this character is really really unforgettable by the people also, and that is so touching and overwhelming.
Okay.
This first time it has happened with me that I am sitting at an airport and there are a couple of guys who are staring at me. Of course, I am coming back from Chennai to Bombay.
Okay.
And the first time it has happened that they cannot come close to me
Okay.
because they had seen Dhiran. So they were looking at me, they were very amazed. My staff was there, but I had kept my staff at a distance because of COVID and all. So I was sitting all alone. But I could see that, okay, these guys want to come close to me.
Okay.
Finally, when I am about to go, then they come to me and they said, "Sir, just one picture, please. You are terrific in Dhiran." I
Okay,
said,
okay.
"Thank you." Yeah, so that Uma character is really, really unforgettable.
So to be honest, how hard it is to be an iconic villain? Because people
Mhm.
sometimes would treat you as a real villain in their real life.
Actually, with me, that has never been the case.
Okay.
Down south, whenever I'm coming to Chennai or Hyderabad, people have these big smiles on their faces the moment they see me, and they want to get a picture clicked with me or two, and they want to invite me to their houses. So fortunately, I have never faced this that people are, saying that, oh, see, look at him, he is a villain, so let's stay away from him. No, on the contrary, they'll keep running to me and they want to uh, get a selfie done and all that stuff. So I would say I've been lucky in that manner because people end up loving me. I don't know how, but somehow.
So it's been almost 20 years entering into cinema industry. So can you please tell us one incident, one unforgettable incident in this past 20 years?
In this past 20 years, there are so many. During my struggle days, uh, I think when I was doing theater,
Okay.
one morning I got up, I went to do rehearsals, and I just fainted because I did not have breakfast. I had to hurry up, and then I could not get bus and all. So on feet, I reached the destination, and I was so tired and exhausted. And by the time and there were a couple of actor friends who were standing there and watching me perform and rehearse. They thought that in the performance I have fainted. So they thought I was acting.
Okay.
So
Fantastic.
when I got up, they came running to me to congratulate. Oh wow, what a great performance! But the co-actor, who was very close to me, he could gather that I had fainted. So then everybody realized, and
Okay.
so that one incident, yeah.
So the movie Rakta Charitra has made into a full-time villain. So have you prepared for it, sir? So already are you prepared for it?
Now Ram Gopal Verma used to call me for to give me or to tell me an incident or two about Obul Reddy, the real character on which my character Bukka Reddy was based.
Okay.
So he kept on giving me the informations, and I kept on building the character in my mind. And of course, with his help, what do you think? Okay, sir, I think like this. What do you think, sir? You want to tell me something? You can tell me. So finally, before going on to the set, for about 20 days, we kept on meeting every single day and just kept discussing about his deeds, Obul Reddy's deeds, and how he was feared in the area, and what was his lifestyle, what he used to like, what he used to dislike. He was an alcoholic, so of course, if you are drinking day and night, then nothing happens to you eventually. So I just kept a little sway in my body and just little drunken feel, and we just went ahead with it. And he said, "You're bang on."
So now your dream has come true. I've acted with Mr. Rajinikanth, sir. So may I know who are the other most favorite heroes you want to act with? Of course, you've acted with the most iconic star Talabadi, Vijay sir, and now Rajini sir. So may I know who are the other most favorite actors of?
I want to work with Ajit sir now, and of course Surya. He's been a good friend when we were shooting for Rakta Charitra, but we didn't have any scene together. But yeah, Ajit sir, I want to work with him.
Okay, so are you aware of about the Valimai movie between Ajit sir and Vinod sir? Director Vinod is directing a movie with Mr. Ajit sir called Valimai. You are aware of any
But
update?
you can, you are asking this question to a wrong person. You can ask this question to Vinod himself because he will tell you whether I'll be there in the movie or no.
Okay, sir. So that was a wonderful time with you, and thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great.
VCura Wellness Clinic, the amazing breakthrough in weight loss scientific slimming. Now get up to 5 kgs weight loss treatment free.
இந்த வீடியோவை வழங்குவோர் போஃப்டா ஃபிலிம் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்ல ஃப்ரம் த மாஸ்டர்ஸ்.